Hi Barcelona. Sorry we can't be together for practices right now. I'm really bummed about it. I'm sure you guys are too. And I was thinking you're probably especially bummed that you're not going to be able to do ball drills. But guess what? I'm going to film them so you guys can be doing them hopefully every day, but probably at least 3 times a week just to keep them in your memory. So in case anyone forgot, I'm going to go through all the drills. Remember, you're going to do 20, so the ones that are each foot, 10 on each foot. So I might not demonstrate all 20, but that's what I want you guys to be doing, okay? All right, so remember, we're going to start with ball taps. For this, you don't want, this is not a ball tap where you're flat on your feet. Be on your toes, and you're going to come up. Don't do that. Come up to the top of the ball, okay? If you really have this, you can go faster, and you can pick your head up, not looking, and go around the ball if you got it, okay? Those are ball taps. Next is triangles. You're going to do 10 on each foot. So when you're starting with your right, again, on your toes, you're going to drag that back, tap, tap, drag, tap, tap. Okay? So you're going to do 10 with your right foot, 10 with your left. Okay, I know some of you might be in a smaller space. If you're in a bigger space, great, you can spread out. 4 half turns, just the mechanics behind this. You're going to come, plant your left foot a little bit behind the ball, next to the ball. You're going to drag, keeping the ball between the ball and your defender, and you're going to then change your speed after the move. Okay, if you're in a smaller space, as long as you're just planting and dragging, that's fine. The larger space, and they can explode after that, even better. Okay, 10 on each foot for those. Next, we're going to do roll, roll, dance, okay? If you need to shorten this, that's fine. If you're in a small space, but you can really roll, roll, tap, 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 roll, roll, tap, tap, tap. So that's 2. Okay, 10 on each foot for those. Next one we're going to do is quarter turns. Like the half turn if you're in a smaller space. If you're just doing the move, that's fine. If you have a bigger space and can accelerate and change your speed after the move, even better. Okay, so for those, 10 on each foot. Plant your foot, you're going to use the bottom of your foot, turn about 45 degrees, and explode. Okay? As you're coming up to do it, you want to slow up so you can plant the foot and go. Okay. After that, we're going to be doing the figure 8s. Remember, that's with the outside of your foot, you're going to be making an 8. So the top part of the 8 with 3 cuts, a little bit of a bigger touch, come back with the other foot outside, a little bit of a bigger touch. Okay? So you're going to do 10 of those on each foot. All right, then we're going to do the one-on-one moves. So again, if you don't have a lot of space, you can just be going through the move. You don't have to accelerate after. The first one we're going to do is the V cut. So you're just fake one way. That's a fake, right? So you want your shoulder and your knee as if you're going to go this way, and you're weighting that foot outside the other foot like you're making the shape of a V. Okay? If you have just a little bit of space, you can just be doing it here. And stop, 10 on each foot with those. Next, we're going to do the scissors. So that one, you plant a little bit behind, you have your weight in this planted foot, you fake this way, and again, outside of the foot to the other way. Okay? So if you're planting here, fake this way, outside the foot the other way. Again, if you have a lot of room, you can definitely accelerate and change your speed after the move. The step over, again, 10 on each for those. The step over, again, plant that foot behind, you step over the ball. Scissors, you're coming through, step over, you're stepping over, and then it's the outside of the foot. Over, outside of the foot. Over, outside of the foot. So, the last one we're going to do for this video Last one-on-one move is the stop and go. Again, you might not have a lot of space, but you can just do little dribbles, stop and go. And that's all with the same foot. Little dribbles, stop and go. If you have a little bit of a bigger space or yard, you can slow down when you do and then accelerate after your pause. All right, we might add a couple moves this season if we have time, but I will see you guys on Tuesdays. Bye.